HP 310 all-in-one ink tank color printer. Printer type, ink tank functionality, all-in-one, print, scan, copy, scanner type, flatbed. Printer output, color. Connectivity, USB. Pages per minute 7.5, black and white, 4.5, color. Cost per page 10 Paise, black and white, 18 Paise, color, as per ISO standards. Ideal usage, home and small office, regular heavy usage, more than 300 pages per month. Page size supported, A4, B5, A6, DL envelope duplex print, manual print resolution, up to 4800 x 1200 optimized DPI, color, up to 1200 x 1200 rendered DPI, black. Compatible ink, HP GT52 original ink bottle, cyan, magenta, yellow, HP GT51 original black ink bottle page yield 6000 pages, black and white, 8000 pages, color, as per ISO standards. Duty cycle, maximum monthly recommended prints, up to 1000 pages per month. Warranty details, 1-year manufacturer warranty from the date of purchase. Avail free installation on this model from HP brand customer care on 1800 to 2000-047 post receipt of product to book and schedule free installation and support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.